Once upon a time, during the time of Gautam Buddha, there was a king. He had many elephants. One of them was very powerful, obedient, and skilled in fighting. He went with king in many wars and was king's favorite elephant. As time passed, elephant got old and was unable to participate in wars. King cared for him and would not take him to war anymore. Now elephant was retired. One day, elephant went to nearby pond to drink water. Suddenly, his leg got stuck in the mud deep in the pond. Elephant tried a lot but could not get himself out of the pond. At last, he gave up and sat there. When servants noticed that elephant was missing, they started searching for him here and there, and soon they found him in the pond. News of trapped elephant reached king. Many people gathered there along with king, and many efforts were made to get elephant out of the muddy pond, but all in vain. They could not get elephant out of the pond even after many efforts. Now everyone started losing hope. It happened that at the same time Gautam Buddha was passing by the place. People went to him and asked for help. Gautam Buddha inquired about the elephant and then reached the spot. When king saw Buddha coming, he requested Buddha and said, "O Lord, please help me to rescue my elephant. It is one of my favorite elephants who has won me many wars with his skills and bravery. Please do something. I can't see a miserable end to his life." After inspecting the spot, Buddha thought for a moment and then he said to the king, "Bring drums and trumpet of war." Drums and trumpet should be played around the elephant. King asked his servant to bring drums and trumpets, and soon sound of drums and trumpets reverberated in the sky. As soon as elephant heard the drums and trumpets of war, there was a change in expression of the elephant. That sound ignited a spark in the attitude of elephant. He started trumpeting and roaring with enthusiasm as if he was going to participate in war. He started trying to come out of the mud, and in the next moment he was out of the muddy pond. Everyone present there was surprised to see that. They asked Buddha, "Is this a miracle? We tried so much, but we still could not get him out. But now the elephant came out on his own. How is this possible?" Buddha said, "There was no shortage of physical ability in the elephant. We just needed to motivate him because elephant used to go to wars, but now he was not able to go there anymore. Therefore, he lost his desire and will. Using drums and trumpets helped him to get his enthusiasm back, and thus he was able to get out of the muddy pond by himself." We see in our life we will find these things many times. We stop thinking positively and lose enthusiasm, and then we get stuck in the problems due to lack of willpower and enthusiasm. Sometimes we succumb to the challenges in our life. We need to remember the time of our life when we conquered adversity. We need to take inspiration from those moments in the past and regain our enthusiasm, and thus we can bring ourselves out of the troubles by regaining our enthusiasm and optimism. Therefore, don't let despair overwhelm yourself and always keep a positive attitude. Thank you so much for watching, and to get more videos like this, please subscribe our channel. Stay blessed and have a nice day.